Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to sew that design on that senator style. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button. For our subscribers, thank you very much. We post videos every week, so please feel free to visit our channel every week. Also, don't forget to share this post with your friends on social media. Without further ado, let's go straight to the cutting. All right, what you need to do is we'll measure 2 inch, measure 2 inch, you mark, go down, measure 2 inch, okay. So all we need to do is we slant this 2 inch, okay, just slant it. You can use 1.5, you can use 1 inch, depending on how long or how slant you want it to be. So when I'm through cutting, I'll show you. All right, so you can see I'm through cutting the slant. So if you look at it, with this you're good to go. All you just need to do is you can put paper stay, okay, white paper stay if you choose, but this particular design, this is transparent, okay, and so when you put a white stay, a gum stay, you will see it reflects white. So for this tutorial sake, I'm going to just fold. So the next step is just fold this, okay, fold this, fold 1/2 inch, okay, all the way around. Fold 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, and 1/2 inch here. But I'm through. We'll display it for us to see. As you can see, I'm through ironing it. I told you it's 1/2 inch all the way around. Okay. So the next step is the piece of fabric that will be placed here alongside with this. All we just need to do is this. This is the fabric that will be placed along. Okay. All we just need to do is to fold. You fold this edge and you fold this edge. Please, at the end, your measurement should be half. Your measurement should be half of an inch. This width here should be half of an inch. And let this be a long one, okay? When I'm through, I'll show you. All right, you can see I'm through folding it, through folding, ironing it as well, right? So you can decide to fit a hem stay here, okay, hemming gum, they call it hemming gum. You can decide to put a hemming gum here, and then you iron to make it neat, so that the appearance this side will be straight and neat, okay? So just put hemming gum and iron it, okay? I'll tell you the measurements we use in cutting each and every one of them. All right, you can see I'm through ironing all this, okay? All right, so what you need to do, you measure this length to this length and subtract 1 inch. That is 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here, okay? As you can see, the 1/2 inch here, 1/2 inch here. Also, the same length for this is the length you're going to use here, okay? Then this, okay, you put them in the range of this is 5.5, this is 4, this is 5, this is 4.5. All right, there's a reason why I cut that into that particular sizes. Now the next thing to do is I have to cover this. I'll cover this part. Let me show you. I'll cover this part. Okay, so what I need is this. I'll have to fix this, and okay, I'll iron it this way. Okay, but don't forget, it has to be slant. It will be slant. There's a slant. It will be slant. Okay, so what I need to do is this. Can you see? Okay, I folded it inside this so that the other side, this side will not be seen. All right, we are maintaining the 1/2 inch. You put a hem stay. Make sure you put hem stay underneath it and you iron. Okay, you iron. What you did here also, do the same here as well. Fold some part inside. All right, slant it and it will come out well. Also do the same here. Okay, place it here. Here the difference here should be like 1/4 as well. All right, same thing you apply here. Okay, you fold one part, you fold one part, fold one part, and you fold one part as here. Okay, don't forget, here 1/4 inch, here 1/4 inch, but the difference between here and here, half, 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 and half. All right, when I'm through, I'll show you. This is design after placing it round. As you can see, it's beautiful. Right. The design I posted earlier, the one that is placed across this way, is the placket. Okay, that's the one placed across this. Okay, right. In one of our videos, I'll teach you how to produce different type of plackets. All right, we are through with our design. Don't forget to share this video with your friends on social media, and if you have not subscribed, please click on subscribe button. If you are yet to give my video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. All right, see you in our next video. Bye bye.